Watch this video and learn how to draw an Easter bunny. Later in the show, Artie receives a call from his friend Mango Monster. And watch to the end to see some poetry from Louie. Okay, get ready, Artie, and get ready, little artists. It's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Hello.
Oh, hello, little artist. Oh,
Well, it's almost Easter time, Artie.
yeah.
Should we draw an Easter bunny?
Oh, Artie would really love that. Yes, please. Oh, great. Oh,
It's great to see everybody today.
It's a real pleasure.
yeah.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Should we begin?
Yeah, this is going to be so much fun. Let's start.
Let's do that.
Let's hop to it.
Let's start by drawing a nice big eye towards the top of the page. A circle, and then a little black dot circle inside. Oh, it looks like a one-eyed monster.
Yeah, yeah. Oh,
But we're not drawing a monster, we're drawing a cute little bunny. That's right, Artie, let's draw the second eye. And don't forget the little black dot. Perfect.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Thank you, Bunny. I think you're going to really like today's drawing, Bunny. Oh, I like those eyebrows, Artie. Good addition. Okay, let's start drawing the bunny's ears. We'll do the right one first. A big curved line up, a little half circle at the top, and then a curved line back down again. And now we have a right ear.
I don't know what he's drawing, but it's sure gonna be great.
Oh, Barry, you've started all the neighborhood dogs barking again. Ugh. Oh, that's great, Artie. I like how you draw a smaller ear inside the bigger ear. That gives the ear thickness. Excellent work. Time for the left ear. Don't forget to give the ear thickness by drawing another smaller shaped ear inside. That's it.
I love watching Artie draw almost as much as I love carrots.
And you really like carrots, Bunny. Now let's give our Easter Bunny a nice left cheek. And do the same on the right side, Artie. That's it. Oh, perfect. And now continue the line across the top of the head. She's looking great.
oh, I wonder who it is. It's a felt time. Who could it be?
Oh, hey Artie, I'm feeling super artsy today.
Hi, Mango Monster. Oh, do tell.
Oh, guess what I did? Oh, I painted a picture using my paws. It's so messy, but super fun, right?
Oh, that sounds awesome. What did you paint?
I painted a mango polka dot with stripes, of course. Because regular mangoes are way too plain.
A polka dot mango. That's so creative. I love how you used your imagination.
Do you make art with your hands too?
Oh yeah, I love finger painting. Sometimes I even use my fingerprints to make little animals.
Little animal? Oh my gosh, like a favorite monster. Oh, can you teach me next time?
Of course course, Mango Monster. Next time we'll make fingerprint monsters together. Ho-ho!
I'll definitely bring the paint. Orange is my favorite color anyway.
Oh, well, that's perfect because I'm orange. Ho-ho! See you next time, Mango Monster.
Bye, Artie. Oh my gosh, yes. Keep creating the good stuff.
Mikey, this is so much fun.
I told you it'd be great.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying myself.
Well, I'm pleased everyone seems to be having fun. Let's draw our Easter Bunny's nose, a little triangle shape, and then draw a circle in the right corner. Shade it all in black, but leave that circle white. That's going to make the nose look shiny and wet. Coming up, Louie's going to read us some poetry. Oh, I love that little mouth you drew, Artie. Oh no, those, they're teeth. That's so clever. Oh, let's add some whiskers. Whiskers are very easy to draw. Just 3 lines on the left and 3 lines on the right. Let's draw the top part of a really big Easter egg. That's right, just there in front of where the chin would be. Oh, this is going to be a big egg, Artie.
Oh, yeah.
Do you remember last Easter, Artie, when you got that big chocolate egg? It was nearly as big as your head.
Yeah.
I like how you drew a little arm on the left side there, holding on to the egg. Oh, and then one on the right side. That's very clever, Artie. Now let's draw some little bunny feet. An oval shape on the left side, and then another one on the right side. 2 little lines to connect the feet to the hands. That's it, and on the right. And then a curved line connecting the left foot to the right foot.
I mean, her age? Ridiculous. Oh, hello and welcome to Poetry Corner. Today we have a lovely little poem for you about my favourite, Bunny Fluffington. Here we go. Okay. Bunny Fluffington hops all day, spreading joy in her bunny way. She nibbles carrots, sweet and small, but it's Artie she loves most of all. She cheers him on with a happy smile. Watching his art is always worthwhile. Her fluffy tail wiggles, her heart feels light. With Artie around, her world's just right. Well, that was marvellous, wasn't it? I do love Bunny.
Louie, you write such beautiful poetry.
He does, doesn't he, Bunny? And that was very nice of him to write a poem all about you. Oh, that's good, Artie. I can see you're drawing stripes across our Easter egg. That will really help later on when we're colouring in the egg. Now let's draw 3 little circles on the underside of our bunny's foot. That's right, and then a bigger one underneath. Perfect.
That looks so neat, Artie.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Now let's add those circles to the right foot. Remember, we did 3 little ones and a bigger one underneath. Let's have our bunny sat on a little grassy hill. We'll draw a big curved line and then some upside down V shapes to signify the grass.
Oh, yeah.
A nice curved line will show the left side of Bunny's body and another one on the right side. Don't forget to finish the grass on the right side, Artie. That's it. Well, this one looks pretty finished to me. What do you think, Artie?
I'm finished. Oh.
I thought you were.
Yeah.
Should we colour it?
Yeah. Let's colour it in.
Color it in, color it in, color it in.
It looks great, Artie.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Came out great.
Oh, it came out so good.
Are you happy with it?
Artie's really happy. Yeah.
That's great.
Goodbye, Artie.
See you later, Artie.
See you next time. Carrot kisses and bunny wishes.
Thank you for watching, little artists. We'll see you again soon. Have an Artie day.